Hello guys, welcome back, and today we are going to solve the daily target CSS battle. And without wasting any more time, let's start the stopwatch. And we are going to start with body of background color, which is this beach. Margin is going to be 0. Display is going to be grid. Place items is center. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a circle first. Let's do it 130 pixel, aspect ratio of 1, give it to background color of this one, and border radius is going to be 50%, and 20 it's perfect for now. And what I'm going to do is going to do before after, before and also div after. Content is going to be empty, and this one have to position of relative um, position of absolute with give 40 pixel and aspect ratio of 1, background of red to see, and 40 pixel is very small. Let's give it 60, and also this value, the border, it is 20 pixel, border 20 pixel solid, this one. Top is going to be -40, let's see, and right -40, and nice, it looks perfect. That's mean I have to change in this one only. One is going to for before, and bottom is going to be -40, and left is going to be -40. And let's change the color from red to this one and hit submit, and it is 3 minutes 53 seconds. Let's see what's happened. It's 100% match. Thanks for watching, and you will get the code in the comment section if you wanna copy and paste and try by yourself. Thanks for watching guys. See you tomorrow.